How to install your CC LEDs in 5 easy steps. Let's go. Step 1. Test your tools and equipment. Feel free to pause the video to see what you should have in your kit. Once you are sure you have all the equipment you need with your CC LEDs, start unpackaging the spool of LED. Go ahead and connect the LEDs to the batteries, as you see here. Make sure to not throw away the white connector that comes with the LEDs, as it serves as a mechanical off switch. Once you see both lights work, you're ready to go. Step 2. Clean the rim and the hub. Make sure to wipe all around the rim with an alcohol wipe. Along with the rim, make sure to wipe the hub of the wheel of the bike. Step 3. Installing the LEDs. Each LED strip comes with an adhesive on the back of it. For better pictures, install on the chain side of the bike. Make sure to twist the wiring up the spoke closest to the air hole. Once that's done, place the adhesive on the LED strip around the rim of the bike. Once towards the end, place the adhesive on top of the other strip. Grab wire cutters, scissors, or even nail clippers to clip the gold part of the LED strip. From that point, we recommend you secure the wiring with a zip tie. Step 4. Installing the battery. The battery will have 4 holes to secure onto the hub with zip ties. It helps to preemptively put the zip ties through the holes before placing it on the hub. Remove the adhesive on the bottom of the battery pack and place on the hub. Secure the battery onto the hub with the zip ties. You don't need to tighten forcefully, just securely. For more security, use the other zip ties to place through the holes of the battery pack and through the spokes so that you can secure the battery pack more tightly. Repeat this process with the spokes and the zip ties through each opening in the battery pack. Once you've secured the last zip tie, go ahead and connect the LED, and there you go. You've installed the CC LED plasma LED. When not in use, Place the mechanical off switch inside the connectors and connect them both together. There, you'll be able to ride without the LEDs during the day. Step 5. Repeat on the other wheel. Clean the rim of the hub. Install the LEDs. Install the battery. Finally, go out and enjoy your ride.